Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the MSI Optix MEG381CQR world's first HMI gaming monitor. So friend, the MSI has announced is the Optix MEG381CQR gaming monitor, and friend, this stands for Human Machine Interface, is a whole new concept, and friend, beside its unique design, the specification is extreme high. It is equipped with 2300R IPS panel, experience extremely smooth and tear-free gameplay with the built-in NVIDIA G-Sync ultimate technology, and friend, the UWQHD plus resolution, 175Hz high refresh rate, 1 millisecond fast response time, and VESA DisplayHDR 600, and friend, it will give you all the competitive advantage you need. And friend, the curved display panel of MSI Gaming Monitor has a curvature rate of 1000 Hz, which is the most comfortable and suitable curvature for human eyes for general computing of gaming. And friend, the curved panel also helps with gameplay immersion and making gamers connected better. And friend, it features WQHD panel that supports resolution of 3840 into 1600, capturing every detail in the game and turning every frame of visual feast. And friend, this 21 Gem 9 panel also allows gamers to extreme bigger game screen compared to other traditional Full HD panels and put them ahead of other competitors. And friend, it will becomes with Steelseries GameSense RGB LED will just to be fancy decoration. It helps you gameplay as well. And friend, this monitor is equipped with HDR technology that can produce images with more details, wider range of colors, and look more similar to which is seen by the human eye. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.